Calbayog Airport is an airport serving the general area of Calbayog located in the province of Samar in the Philippines. The airport is classified as a Class II Principal, Minor Domestic Airport by the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, a body of the Department of Transportation and Communications that is responsible for the operations of not only this airport but also of all other airports in the Philippines except the major international airports. The airport, which can now accommodate jet aircraft operations and increased terminal capacity of 450 passengers from the previous 76 passenger capacity, will now be able to provide convenient and accessible air travel to the people of Eastern Visayas, Sidianco said. Other improvements completed include the expansion of its apron, a new taxiway, widening of the runway strip grade correction, runway asphalt overlay, construction of runway safety marker, new parking area, construction of a security fence, and the construction of its drainage system. Calbayog Airport, in Samar, are seen to contribute to the development and economic revitalization of Eastern Visayas. The city of Calbayog is a first-class component city in the province of Samar, Philippines. According to the 2015 census, it has a population of 183,851 people, also known as the City of Waterfalls. It lies along the coastal region of the province stretching about 60 miles, 97 kilometers, from the northern tip of the island and 180 miles, 290 kilometers, from southern boundaries. It is the sixth largest city in terms of land and water areas in the Philippines. It is the 19th city in the Philippines. In 2010, Calbayog has 35,126 households with a population of 172,778 people, making up 23.6% of the total population of the province of Samar. 5. Calbayog is one of the commercial trade centers in Eastern Visayas. Calbayog is subdivided into three major districts: Calbayog, Tinambacan, and Oquendo. The city has a total land area of 88,074 hectares, 217,640 acres, as of 2007, which is 0.29% of the Philippines' total land area, 3.79% of the regional land area, 6.12% of the island of Samar, and 14.56% of the Samar province area. 40% of the city's land area are plain and hilly terrains with elevation ranging from 5 to 20 meters, 16 to 66 feet, above sea level. The rest are rugged mountain ranges with elevations from 300 to 700 meters, 980 to 2,300 feet, above sea level. Flooding is minimized because of many rivers, brooks, streams, and natural water conveyors that flow towards the sea. About 80% of the population speaks Waray, and it is the dominant language in the city. English and Tagalog are widely used in the business and educational sectors. Calbayog serves as the commercial, industrial, and fishing center of the province of Western Samar. It is one of the main economic centers of Eastern Visayas. Last 2014, its income totaled approximately 77 million, making it the third highest income city in the region. One of its primary income generators is the processing and trade of avocado and coconut-based products, for example copra, coconut oil, which are grown in western Samar's northern plains. Several universal and commercial banks operate in the city, such as Banco de Oro, Metrobank, PNB, Land Bank, UCPB, RCBC, Asia United Bank, City Savings Bank, Green Bank, East West Rural Bank of Calbayog City. The city's 157 barangays are grouped into three districts. Calbayog District. The district is located in the southern and eastern boundaries of the city and is the main political and commercial district of the city. The district is bounded to the north by the Oquendo and Tinambacan districts, to the south by the municipality of Santa Margarita, and to the east by Machigano. The district comprises 84 barangays and has a population of 103,051, 2015 census, with a land area of about 446.6 square kilometers, 172.4 square miles. Tinambacan District. The Tinambacan District is located along the northern boundaries of the city. It is bounded to the north by the municipality of San Isidro, to the south by the Calbayog District, and to the east by the Oquendo District. The district comprises 27 barangays and has a population of 46,157, 2015 census, with a land area of 182.9 square kilometers, 70.6 square miles. Oquendo District. The Oquendo District is located along the northeastern boundaries of the city, is bounded to the north by Lope de Vega, to the south by the Calbayog District, to the east by Silvino Lobos, and to the west by the Tinambacan District. The district comprises 46 barangays and has a population of 34,643, 2015 census, with a land area of 251.2 square kilometers, 97.0 square miles.